Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session 3, Part 3, Exercise 01. In this exercise, we'll study some of the words from Bay and Jim series and we'll try to pronounce all these. So, read all these words aloud, but before reading, just listen how I pronounce all these and then compare your pronunciation with my audio. Okay, so I try to pronounce all these and also explain to you with their proper accent the alphabets and the full words. So the first word, it has 4 alphabets: Jim, Alif, Noon and Alif. Jim has a diacritical mark over it. It is called Zabar sign. So it would give us a sound. So when we read it like Jim Zabar, and we connect it with Alif when we read it. Okay, so Jim Zabar Alif, and then Noon, it has also a diacritical mark over it. It is called Zabar. So when we read this as Noon Zabar Alif. Jim Zabar Alif, Noon Zabar Alif. Okay, these are the alphabets. Now I pronounce the full word. Jana, Jana. Jim Zabar Alif, Ja. Noon Zabar Alif, Na. Jana, Jana. Next word is Che. The first alphabet of the word is Che. It has a diacritical mark over it, same. So we'll read it like Che Zabar Alif, and then we read Te. It's Te, Te, like T for tall. Che Zabar Alif, Te. Okay, now I'm going to read the full word. The full word is called Che Zabar Alif, Te, Chart. Chart. Che Zabar Alif, Te, Chart. 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 Then the next word is, it is called Alif. It has 1, 2, 3 and 4 alphabets, and the first alphabet of this word is called Alif. It has diacritical mark under it. It is called Zair sign. So we'll read it like Alif Zair Te. This one is Te, Te. Alif Zair Te. Then it's Noon. Noon has a diacritical mark over it. So we'll read it like Noon Zabar. Then it's Alif in connected form with Noon. Noon Zabar Alif Na. Noon Zabar Alif Na. So the whole word would be Alif Zair Te It, 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 and Noon Zabar Alif Na, It Na. The full word would be It Na, It Na. Okay, then the next word, it has 4 alphabets. The first one is Noon. It has diacritical mark over it. Noon Zabar Alif, Noon Zabar Alif. We read it like this one with this accent, you can say. Okay, Noon Zabar Alif. Then it's He. He has a diacritical mark over it. It is called Pesh sign. So we'll read it like He Pesh Noon, He Pesh Noon. Okay, so the whole word would be like this one, and we'll pronounce it like Noon Zabar Alif Na, Noon Zabar Alif Na, He Pesh Noon Hun, Hun. So the whole word would be Nahun, Nahun. Okay, next word, it has 3 alphabets in it. Be, Be Zabar Ba, Jim, Jim Zabar Ja, and Te. Okay, so this in the parentheses, the whole word. I'm going to read it. It is called Be Zabar Ba, Jim Zabar Ja, and Te remains same, Te. So the word would be pronounced like budget, budget, the English budget. Okay, budget, budget. And next word, it has 2 alphabets in it, alif with mad sign over it and jim. So we'll read it like alif mad a and jim, alif mad a, jim, and the word would be pronounced like aj, aj. Okay, next word, it has 5 alphabets. Be Zabar, Be Zabar Ba, we'll read it like this one, Be Zabar Ba, Jim Zabar Ja, Jim Zabar Ja, sorry, Jim Zabar Alif, it's Alif again after that, Jim Zabar Alif, Ja, Jim Zabar Alif, Ja, Noon Zabar Alif, Na, Noon Zabar Alif, Na. This is the whole word in parentheses. We read it like Bajana, Bajana, Be Zabar Ba, Jim Zabar Alif Ja, Baja, Noon Zabar Alif Na, Bajana, Bajana. Okay, and next word, it's in connected form. It has Noon Alif Na, Noon Alif Na, sorry, Noon, it has a diacritical mark over it, Noon Zabar Alif Na, Noon Zabar Alif Na, then it's Pe. Okay, and then Noon Zabar Alif Na again. In these 2 Na, the first Na and the ending Na, it's a Pe in between these 2. So the word would be pronounced like Nap Na, Nap Na, Nap Na, Nap Na. Next word is Be Zabar Ba. It has 3 alphabets. Be Zabar Ba, He Zabar Ha, He Zabar Ha, and Say, Say. And the whole word is in parentheses. It is pronounced like Bahas, Bahas, Bahas. Okay, next word is, it has 4 alphabets. Che with the diacritical mark of it, which is called Pe sign. So Chepesh Noon, Chepesh Noon, Chun, Chun, Noon Zabar Alif Na, Noon Zabar Alif Na, Chun Na, Chun Na. The word would be pronounced as Chun Na, Chun Na. And then it's Bachana, Bachana in parentheses. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 alphabets in it, and there are no diacritical marks over under these ones. So try to read it by yourself. Okay, I pronounce it for you. It has Be alphabet, Che, Alif, Noon, Alif, and the word is called Bachana, Bachana. And the last one is, it has 3 alphabets, Jim, Zabar, Jim, Zabar, Noon. Noon, it has the tashdid sign over it and a diacritical mark. Okay, Noon zabar with tashdid. Okay, noon zabar with tashdid. Noon zabar shad. It is called noon zabar shad in proper accent. Okay, noon zabar shad. Tashdid is called shad. Okay, you can also pronounce noon zabar tashdid. Okay, and te. The whole word is in parentheses, so we'll pronounce it like jannat, jannat, jannat. Okay, now I pronounce all these for you again. The first word is jana, jana. Then it's chart, chart. This one is itna, itna. This is called nahun, nahun. Budget, budget. Aaj, aaj. Bajana, bajana. Napna, napna. Bahas, bahas. Chunna, chunna, chunna. Bachana, bachana. Jannat, jannat. Okay, that's it for today's session. Try to pronounce all these in your free time. Okay, in the next exercise we'll try to write all these. Okay, till the next session, have a good day to all of you, and Allah Hafiz.